What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2020 Chevrolet Trax. The Chevy Trax in this video is an LT trim. Depending on your Trax's options, your instrument cluster may look just a little bit different than this one. So you'll need the vehicle running. Then we're going to come over here and we'll be doing all this using the blinker control arm. So I'm going to press the menu button right here, and when I do that, it's going to highlight the vehicle over here. Once you have vehicle highlighted, I'm then going to use this to scroll up and scroll up again until we see the remaining oil life percentage there. Once we have the remaining oil life percentage up, I'm going to press the button in the set clear on the side, and I'll focus in on this, but as I press that button, it's asking, are you sure you want to reset? We'll use this button to scroll up till yes is highlighted, and then we'll press that button on the end in again. And as you can see there, it was reset back to 100%. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.